join us today as we go to the second annual spring swap meet here in Encino.
I'll wait a couple years.
Well, here we go. Swap meet here in LA in Whitley Park today. It's about 9:30. Some bougainvilleas. Smaller pots. Morning, Colin. How you doing, buddy?
Good, good. Seeing and being seen.
Look at this guy over there. Some really cool knives. Some nice boogies. I got Bill blocking my way here. It's okay. It's all great.
How you doing, man?
Good. How you doing, man?
Yo, how you doing, man? Oh, cool.
Some smaller Shohin stuff. Four-piece bonsai display for only $1,500. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
I like the setup. I think the setup's kind of nice.
Yeah.
There's Mitch. I need a photo later. You.
Where is it?
For the show. No, for our club meeting.
I gave one to Shirley.
I still need one. You're looking for Shohin stuff? There's Mitch's stuff. And then there's... So Mitch is going to be our club demonstrator this month. He specializes in ficuses.
I should have done that, but I...
Do not come back with more trees than yourself.
Miss Ellen.
Hey, Tom.
Really nice stuff. Oh, check out this one. This was huge. Look how long that forest looks. It's kind of cool. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Wonderful. Thanks for asking. California juniper. How you doing? So you want to come down? Happening right now. So I'll see I can edit this in the car. How you doing? Good morning. Berry stuff. Look at the California. Not like I need another tree.
Nice pot, too.
That's really cool, California.
Yeah.
Some pines. This is Barry. If you look at Barry's. Barry's a local guy. You know, he contact. There's Shay.
Hello.
He's selling his trees. This has been tridents. Look at that. Shay's an artist himself. There's some big trees. Ficus.
You could later if you wanted. Like if you wanted to go to next season, you could take some pictures. But Vincent, I'm just saying, like, this was already growing on my street.
How you doing, man?
This is already
Nice
growing on
trees.
my street, so you just kind of added on.
This is Sierra Madre guy. Looks at the pomegranates. Really cool. You got some t-shirts and some wear. Look at that. Pretty awesome. Keith, I just heard Keith somewhere on so I can find him earlier. How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning. Twist pomegranate. So Noki cypress. A little redwood. Don't see those too often out here. Cold dog. Oh, this must be Mr. Shay's trees. His characteristics. know, I should pick up one of his trees one day. Here's my man Keith.
How are you?
Good morning. How you doing, sir?
Tom, thanks for being here.
No, thank you for putting this together, Keith.
I love this.
Yeah.
This is my most fun day of the year.
Well, it's a crazy day. So what do you have for sale, Keith?
Kashimono was a bonsaiist who was around in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, who passed away over 10 years ago. His family asked me to sell his collection. So everything you see here, except for the trees, everything you see here is from his collection. Everything is
Wow.
everything is from Japan and China. And my pots are cheap. I'm selling them for cheap. Except for these pots that are down here. I've got some very large pots.
They're
that
large.
Are show pots. These were pots that were in California Bonsai Society's magazine back in the 80s.
Oh yeah, they're like bathtubs.
Yeah, they're worth a lot of money.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Keith, for putting these together, man.
Thanks for coming.
There's some wisteria, some tools. Look at some tools. We're looking for tools.
If you want all three, the set, I'll sell two for $20. Yes.
Not bad.
How are you, Mr. Riley? And these? I'm excited. I love seeing everybody.
Morning. There's Mel. There's Mary.
You want to keep looking?
There's Mel. I like the pot. See, there's only one pot I like already. That's an old pot. Yeah. I'll tell you that. That's probably from the 70s?
At least.
Yeah, little feet. No, not bad. Not bad for a grape. Kind of nice seeing other people out here selling stuff. I think they were at the last sale. I forgot the name of them. I always drawn to larger trees like the red Japanese maple. It's not bad. Little big cuts. There's a forest.
I took the wire off and it's starting to get wired now. You just gotta rewire it up and it'll be pretty simple.
How you doing?
What's going on, Tom?
Morning. Good. Thank you for asking. Spills board for one. There's Bill right there. Didn't know he was selling today. Some ginkgo. There's a azalea. Look for some seedling black pines. Some cuttings. I'm gonna check that out. I got something stalking me from behind. Morning, Kelly. Morning, Bob. Ooh, look at that. I got a reaction out of Bob. I like that one.
What's up, Bob?
What's up, man?
Even Bob goes shopping, see? Everybody's down here this morning.
How's it going?
Nice trees.
Good.
Nice crepe myrtle. Christine's Bonsai Garden. Look at that.
Like the backer or something, like whippy backer. Like this is the name.
Some boxwoods.
So this is the beautiful flower. I was used to
I
have.
saw the flowers and I thought snow rose, but I'm not used to
Some odds and ends. I like that.
$10.
Some nice stuff here. Look at that. People are selling early.
Hi.
Hi. Morning. How you doing?
All right.
Yeah, it's kind of unusual to see that very often. And last but not least, here we go. Of course, we got Greg, his wife here, selling some Josh Ross stuff, some Cheetahs.
Setting up a little late, but hey, we
Hey,
got here.
hey, you're at the end. That's the your first and last. I like that one. There you go. Let me turn the camera around. Well, there you go. It's a quick walkthrough of today's swap meet here in Woodley Park. It's going to happen till about 12. So if you guys down here, say hi. and say hi to the vendors. And thank Keith too, by the way. He's the one that put this together. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.